All right, everybody. Well, it has been a very long time. I went away for a few months, probably about 9 months now to be exact. I haven't been on YouTube for a while. But the reason I'm making this video, it's kind of a sad video, unfortunately. But in front of me, there's no more Subaru, so there's not going to be any more Subaru content on this channel, unfortunately. But I do have some big, exciting news. For a very long time, I wanted to move into the diesel world, and it just so happens that, as everybody knows, the car market got a little crazy, and I ended up getting a good deal selling my Subaru, and I had a buddy who was looking to get rid of one of his trucks that was very meticulously taken care of, and that's what I have in front of me now. So it's goodbye Subaru, and as some people say, I kind of went to the dark side here, but this is obviously a good content making truck. If once you see it, you will understand as to why it's a good content making truck. It probably has one of the worst reputations in the entire world, in the entire diesel community. So without further ado, I introduce you to my new 2005 F350 Harley Davidson edition. I already did some work to this truck that I didn't record because I was kind of on a time crunch, but it was lifted on a 6-inch lift on 37s, and I did drop it down over this past couple days. It is now on a 2-inch level on 35s. And there's still some work to be done because the tires do still kind of rub, and it is the fender liner, so I'm thinking with a little bit of heat, we can push that back in so that it doesn't rub without having to cut anything. As you can see, it's not necessarily perfect. There's some things that need to be fixed underneath. But this is the 6-liter Powerstroke. I'll move on to a little, here, let me do this. There we go. There's a good side view of the truck. It is a crew cab long bed. It is pretty much stock for the most part. So it is a long bed, so you have that 8-foot bed in the rear. Coming onto the interior, it is full leather, full heated everything except steering wheel. It does have power adjustable pedals. It has automatic trailer braking, and of course it has the Ford factory switches that don't go to anything. But like I said, it is pretty much stock. Good space in the back seat. Has the captain's chairs up front with a huge center console. I do have an Edge CTS3 monitor up there to monitor all of my temps and everything that's going on with the truck. In the back seat here, all these fold up to give you nice room underneath. Very spacious in the back. The back seats are not heated, but you know, that's okay. But as you can see, it's a very clean truck. There's not a whole lot wrong with it. No scratches on the interior. All the front seats, I mean, obviously I have the 2005. They're cracking, they're old, they need some love. But other than that, I mean, everything's clean on the interior. No rips in the seats, no rips in the carpet, no cracks in the door panel. The dash is all good to go. It does have a sunroof. It is the fully loaded option for 2005. It has things that I didn't even know existed in 2005. But moving on over to the engine bay, tell you a little bit about this truck. So everything is pretty much stock and brand new. The guy that I bought it from, Brendan, if you're watching, thank you. And I think you should start your own channel, but because he has pretty cool stuff going on with a nice OBS 7.3 that he's going to be diving into here soon. But it's a brand new Garrett turbo, it's stock turbo VGT, stock intercooler piping, stock intake. Has a brand new degas bottle with cap. Brand new batteries. It has the upgraded battery cabling kit with it, so supply plenty of voltage to the FICM underneath. It does have a new FICM inside, and here's my Edge CTS3 monitor probes that go down to EGTs, coolant temps, everything that you need. That is the truck so far. There is a few things that I'm going to be doing to it. Obviously, just some reliability modifications. So basically, the whole reason that I bought this truck was for a daily driver at this point, which now with fuel prices obviously was a bad choice. But when I said goodbye Subaru, I didn't mean for very long. Here in the next few months, I'm going to be moving to Florida, and once I get down to Florida and I, settle into my house and everything like that, there will be a project car that will be coming. But in the meantime, we're going to have some diesel content, and then we'll move on to the project car, as well as diesel content within that also. So it'll be kind of an all-around channel. Some diesel content, some project car content. I really do want to get back into the Subaru game because I do love their interiors and I love how they feel and I love how they ride, but I will give you a hint. What I'm getting will be a Subaru, but what I will be building will be sacrilegious to the Subaru community. It's going to be absolutely nuts, and it's going to take a very long time, but it will bring good content to the channel and hopefully some entertainment to you guys. But I did want to introduce this truck to you guys because I know most of you are used to the Subaru content, and as of now, there's not going to be any more of that. Another thing I did want to point out, as I said, it is stock, so everything's stock. The only thing that it has is a catback exhaust on it for emissions compliance. It is a stock downpipe going into the stock cat, but it is a 4-inch out of the cat. It doesn't have the VGT whistle because the cat quiets it down. So if I start it up and show you guys, you're really just gonna hear the clickiness of the Huey injection. So like I said, I appreciate you guys sticking around, and if you subscribe to this channel for Subaru content, I apologize, but more will be coming within the next few months once I go ahead and pick up the next project car. But for now, we're gonna be making content on this beast here. There's still quite a few things that I want to do to it just to make it reliable and look good. Like there'll be some mirrors that are going to be coming, do the updated mirrors possibly. We're going to paint that front grille. It does have tow hooks on it, but they're chrome, so I'm going to get those powder coated. But I did do, when I did the lowering kit to the 2-inch level, I did new wheels. So I will throw the spec number down in the description if you like how they look. I really do like how they look. I did a full Bilstein suspension all the way around, so it rides way better than any 350 I've ever sat in. It is wrapped in Nitto G2s and the all-terrains. Let's see if I can grab this here for you. It is 295 65 R20s. So if you like how it looks, I'll throw them down in the description as well, where I got them. Be doing some black out of the emblems. Keep the Harley Davidson, of course, but I'm going to do the black edition because I believe in 2007 they came out with the black edition emblems when they did the whole blacked out headlights and everything like that. Black badges, obviously. And then I think we're going to clean up the front grille a little bit because this is where the tow hooks sit, but I do not really like how open this is. So I'll probably throw some wire mesh in here to kind of cover everything up. But for now, this is how she sits. We'll have some more videos coming on some reliability mods for this guy. But I do apologize for it being a shorter video, especially after being gone for 9 months. Thank you guys for sticking around. I appreciate all the support. As much as you guys give me is plenty. I love it. And I really wish you guys the best, and I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope these videos, help you through sometimes or just give you something to do when you're bored at the end of the day. But there'll be more content coming on this truck with reliability, so I hope you guys stick around and you enjoy it. With that being said, peace out, guys. I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you in the next upload.